Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Craig in West Virginia on this Ranger RCI X9. Craig, got ready to go for you, bud? Our basic tune alignment. Let's get right to it. Our power all the way down. 50-watt slug. Got you set about, what is that, about 4 watts, I guess. All the way down. No, wait, that's 2 watts. What am I thinking? It is time to go to bed, Brian. All the way up, you're sitting at 30. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 50 watts in the corner. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, 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 hello. About 160 PEP. Alright, Craig, we're going to get the X9 out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye-bye.